It's a blazing hot day. You're craving that sweet, refreshing breeze from your AC, and you press that magic button. But wait, is it just me, or is it not working as it should? We've all been there, and trust me, the struggle is real. Today we're cracking the code on a sneaky culprit. Refrigerant is the unsung hero of your AC's cooling prowess. It's like the cool liquid gold that makes your space feel like a winter wonderland on the hottest days. But did you know that even the mightiest of heroes can have their weaknesses? Yep, we're talking about leaks. Here's the scoop. Your air conditioner works like a heat magician. It takes warm indoor air and passes it over the evaporator coil, where refrigerant, let's call it Mr. Frosty, absorbs all that heat like a pro. Then Mr. Frosty transforms into a high-pressure gas and heads outdoors to release that heat, making your room feel like an oasis. But if Mr. Frosty's feeling shy and sneaks out through leaks, your AC's cool performance takes a nosedive. So, how does this sneaky business happen? Let's play detective and uncover the culprits behind refrigerant leaks. First up, wear and tear. Your AC works hard day in and day out, and over time, parts can wear down. Tiny cracks or holes can develop in the refrigerant lines, causing leaks. It's like your AC's telling you, hey, I need a break too. Then we have metal corrosion. Just like how rusty things weaken over time, metal parts inside your AC can corrode, causing champagne leaks or pinhole leaks due to moisture or chemical reactions. Vibrations can also be a sneaky trigger. If your AC wasn't installed properly, it can loosen connections, leading to leaks. Last but not least, physical damage can also be a leaky culprit. Accidentally bumping into your AC by moving stuff around in a hurry can create openings for the refrigerant to escape. Well, let's put on our detective hats and spot those sneaky leaks before they wreak havoc on your comfort zone. First up, if your AC is having a hard time cooling your space, it's like a flashing neon sign saying, check for leaks. Reduced cooling power means Mr. Frosty might be slipping away. Next, pay attention to reduced airflow through vents. If you're feeling more like a gentle breeze than a refreshing gust, there's a chance your AC's dealing with a leaky situation. And don't ignore the power bill detective. If your energy costs are going up with each bill, it's time to investigate for leaks. Why? Because a leaky AC works harder, which means higher bills are coming your way. Remember, even unusual sounds like hissing or bubbling can be signs of trouble. So if your AC is suddenly speaking a leaky language, it's time to take action. However, don't try to DIY this leaky case. Refrigerants are like chemistry wizards, and mishandling them can spell trouble for your health and the environment. Regular maintenance checks by the pros can catch leaks before they become a summer saga. If you suspect your refrigerant is leaking, don't hesitate to call Anthem at 951-389-5151 if you are in the Inland Empire, or at 760-895-2621 if you live in Coachella Valley. We're your leak-busting squad, ready to keep your AC in top-notch shape.